Are you pulling your hair out because Quicken Simplifi won't log you in, or maybe your bank accounts just won't sync up? You're not alone. These are some of the most common issues users face. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to fix most of these problems in just a few minutes. First things first, let's tackle general issues like not being able to sign in or weird website behavior. Step 1. Double-check your credentials. It sounds basic, but a typo is a common culprit. Make sure you're using the correct Quicken ID and password. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password link. Step 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored website data can cause loading or login problems. Clearing them out gives you a fresh start. You can also try using an incognito or private browsing window to see if that resolves the issue. Step 3. Disable VPNs and browser extensions. Security extensions like DuckDuckGo or VPN services, including Apple's iCloud Private Relay, can sometimes block the connection to Simplifi servers. Temporarily disable them and try logging in again. Step 4. Use the correct website. Ensure you're going to simplifi.quicken.com and not some old, outdated link. Now for the big one, bank accounts not syncing or transactions missing. Here's how to fix that. Step 1. Verify direct login. Before touching Simplifi, go directly to your bank's website. Can you log in there successfully with the exact same credentials? If not, the problem is with your bank, and you'll need to contact them first. This also confirms your account isn't locked. Step 2. The Reset Connection Fix. This is often the magic bullet. In Simplifi, go to Settings, then Accounts. Find the problematic bank account, click the three dots menu next to it, and select Reset Connection. You'll be prompted to re-enter your credentials. This forces Simplifi to create a fresh, new connection with your bank server. Step 3. Check for app-specific passwords. Some banks, particularly investment accounts like Betterment or Wealthfront, require you to generate a unique, app-specific password for third-party apps like Simplifi. Log into your bank's actual website and look in the security settings for this option. Step 4. Address bank website prompts. Sometimes your bank needs you to acknowledge a new agreement, a security alert, or a promotional message on their website before any third-party connection can sync. Log in directly and clear any messages you see. Step 5. The last resort, re-add the account. If all else fails, you can make the account manual within Simplifi, Settings, Accounts, three dots, Make Manual, and then immediately re-add it as a new, connected account. When prompted, make sure to link it to the existing manual account to maintain your history. Following these steps should resolve the majority of your Quicken Simplifi issues. The key is to be systematic and patient. Have you faced a tricky Simplifi problem I didn't cover? Share your experience in the comments below. You might help someone else. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!